Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, it's a $25 styling fee. You can get it once every 2 weeks, once a month, once every 3 weeks, whenever you choose. I have a link down below. If you click on that link, if it's your first box, you get $25 for free. And you get to try Stitch Fix, no strings attached. If you like what you get, you could purchase the whole box. You can purchase one thing, two thing, whatever you like. So if you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. So what you get in the box is your return bag. So any items that you don't like, you can return them. Next, you get your price sheet as well as your style guide here. And it says you could take a peek on what you bought, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to read my style note, and my stylist is Kate again. She's been great. So it says, lovely Kristen, happy fix day, beautiful lady. Okay, so far this one, let's kick off with those dark rinsed skinnies you asked for. I did not see any blank New York in our current inventory, but I did land on the Judy Blues. What is it about a pair of distressed jeans that makes an outfit look pulled together? And when it comes to tops, I towed the line with a mixed bag since winter is officially three weeks away from getting a boot. Now, like any of us are counting these days and hours and minutes, which is why I snagged the Jonesman rib knit top. It's got the lighter color story that you asked for, and I know how much you love those suitably sexy details. Finally, the Rebecca zipper detail mixed material blouse is a wild card. It doesn't have the side slits, so I'm curious to hear what you think about it. XOXO Kate. So there's a wild card in here, so we'll see if I like it. I have my price sheet out. We'll go over prices at the end. And so let's get in the box. So the first item is this Kayla top. So it is a yellow top. I have this in red already, and I really like the style. It's a one shoulder, and then on the other shoulder are the two straps here. And it's really cute. So that is adorable. So I really like this a lot. So I'm gonna pull you closer so you could see the colors, and it's a striped material. That's really nice. It's kind of like a mustard. So this is, I'll have on the side here what the items are after I'm done each item. So if you like them, you can ask your stylist for them. So this is the Kayla Jonesman rib knit top in mustard, and that's a size extra small. Okay, so the next item we have here is this top, which is super soft. It's like a gray, black wash and white stripes, and it has two strings here, and it's longer. Super cute, cuffed sleeves. I'll pull it closer so you can see the material. And I like this a lot. It has the like bigger neck, which is cute as well. And see how super long it is? I have a long torso, so this is really adorable. So this here is the Mixed by 41 Hawthorne Arlo brushed cow neck knit top, dark gray, and that's an extra small. The next is this wild card top that she was speaking about. It is a material here, cute. It's like a purple with a zipper. So I'll pull that back so you can see the whole thing. It looks like it has a zipper in the front, and then there's cuffs on the sleeves, which is super adorable. So the material in the back is different. It's softer than the front here. So this is a different type of material. So this is cute. It's a little bit longer as well. This is the wild card. So let's read that. That is the Fortune and Ivy Rebecca Zipper Detail Mixed Material Blouse in burgundy, size extra small. Okay, so the next item we have here is this gray top. It looks like it is kind of a big, deep V-neck in the front and the back. And it's really adorable. Let's look at the material up close. It's super soft. It's a gray. And this is the front. It's just cute. And then in the back, it has this crisscross design, which you could see through the tags there. Super cute. It's kind of a 3/4 length sleeve. Very cute. So this here is the Kayla Luciana back detail knit top in light gray, size extra small. And the last item are these jeans that she was talking about, which because I wanted some dark distressed jeans. I saw a pair at Nordstrom Rack, which I thought were really cute. And these are adorable. So these are super soft as well. So these are the Judy blue jeans that she was speaking of. And there's some distressing here, as well as some distressing on the bottom and on the backs. So that's super cute. There's a little bit of distressing on the back pockets. So I like that a lot. These are super slim fit. So I'll probably like these. And they're very stretchy, very stretchy. So they're the ones at the knees. I was looking for a pair like this. So this is the Judy Blue Daphne Distressed Skinny Jean in indigo. So here we go. We'll see. All right, so what I'm gonna do is try all this on for you guys and come back and let you know my final thoughts on the whole box. Okay guys, so I'm gonna bring you down to show you these jeans. They are awesome. They fit very well. I like them a lot. Super cute. Like the detail in the back. I am a little short, so might have to roll those up. So these are adorable. See the distressing on the jeans here. Okay. And if you guys like my shirt that I'm wearing, I got this, let me fix this. Oh, now we're all crooked. So this shirt that I have on, this is from Madison and Mallory. I'll link them down below. They're super awesome. I love their store, and I have this top in like 5 colors. So super cute. I just want to throw that out there, but these jeans feel phenomenal. Okay guys, so next top is this super soft gray top, 3/4 length sleeves, which is really cute. I'll show you the material. You could see the detail in the back with the crisscross design that she showed. This is really cute. I don't know how I feel about the shoulders. I don't know if you could wear this like off the shoulder a little bit. I probably could. I thought that would be really cute, maybe something like that with like a bralette and wear it like that. So we'll see. I mean, it's really adorable. It's super soft. You probably can do like a little tuck with like off the shoulder, or don't wear it off the shoulder. I think it's super cute with the tuck. I really like that a lot. Really adorable. So next is the wild card top that she was talking about. I like it. Actually, this one might be something I can wear to work with like a blazer over it. It has the 3/4 length sleeves, the zipper where you can zip it down a little bit or you can zip it up. It has some faux pockets right here on the top. So, I mean, it's cute. It fits nice. Yeah, I mean, I'll have to try it with some black pants and see what it looks like after this to see if it's something I can wear to work or my meetings. So yeah, I mean, it's cute. Okay, so next is this black and white top. It's super cute, super soft. Here's your material. very nice, very comfortable. You can wear this with a pair of leggings. Fits really nice with the jeans. You could do probably a front tuck with this one as well. Not as much on this one, so I'll tuck it. But yeah, this is the cow neck right here that she was speaking of. I mean, you can wear it different ways. So yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think. Okay, so next is this top. I have this exact top in red, but it's a different material. It's cute, I like that. It's adorable, the color. I love mustard, if you wanna see the striping. So this is what it looks like. It's off the shoulder a little bit. It's nice. Let me know what you guys think of the items. Let me know what you think of the box, what I should keep, what should I return, what should I do? Okay guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts. This top is really adorable. I love these off the shoulder, but I want more of a solid color for this. If it was solid mustard, I think I would gravitate more towards it. This is the Kayla mustard top and it is $34. Next item is this Mix by 41 Hawthorne sweater here, sweatshirt, soft item. And this is also $38. So this was actually a good steal. It just, it wasn't really my type. I think if it was a lighter gray, I would really like it a lot, but it drowned me out. So I really didn't care for it. Next is this top here. This really wasn't my style. I really don't care for the zipper in the front here. This was the Fortune and Ivy top, which was $40. So I'm gonna pass on that. This gray top was adorable. I thought it was really cute, but I'm not sure where I would wear it a lot. Starting to, it's gonna start getting warm here, and this is kind of a nice sweater. I love the length on it though, so this was cute. This was the Kayla top and it was $38. So this box, the prices are really good and really nice. Last but not least are the jeans by Judy Blue, and they were $58. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm keeping. I really don't have a dark pair of jeans like this that are distressed as much as this. So I was really looking for these. So the total for my box was $208. The buy all 5 discount was $156. And I have a $25 credit thanks to one of you guys. I love it. Thank you. It helps me do these unboxings and helps my channel. If it wasn't for you guys, the subscribers, I wouldn't keep doing this. So the order total was $131. To be honest with you, this box was great. The prices were awesome. She picked some great items for me. I love grays, whites, and black, but more loose tops like this one. But she did an excellent job. Thanks, Kate, and thanks. I know you're probably watching out there, and these jeans really hit the mark. I really like them a lot, so I really appreciate it. And I thank you all for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.